Okay, so I'm going to show you some of the new features of our companion app, particularly the detailed results that you can get in the companion app. It's very exciting. So first we're starting with a measurement on the QuickSee Free Pro. As you can see, it takes about 10 seconds. And then right on the device, you can get detailed results when you click on the bar chart symbol. And you can swipe through the results. You see things like the pupil image, and you get keratometry readings. You get the pupil size, and then you get a spot diagram, and then you get very cool Zernike coefficients, and you even get wavefront graphics for that. And then with this device paired to the companion app, you can go into the companion app. This is on an Android, but it's also available on PCs and Macintoshes. You can go right into the display. If you've got the patient's information in already, you get even more powerful results. So for example, we have this person's birth date, we have their gender, we have their subjective information from the foreopter, and we have their current prescription. As you'll see, this gives us some useful information later on. So first of all, you see in the app, you see the two measurements we have, one for the left eye, one for the right eye. And then by tapping on this bar chart, you can see the detailed information for the refraction. And then what's especially exciting about this new version of the companion app is that we have great graphics of the wavefront images. So for example, we can see the HOA and LOAs combined, or we can look at just the LOAs or the HOAs. You can zoom in, you can rotate the image, get a very good look at it. You can get pictures of their simulations of the correction. If you've got the auto refraction detail in, then you've got the before and after. If you've got the subjective in, you've got the before and after. And if you have current glasses in, you have the before and after. And then we get detailed Zernike coefficient results too. Another great feature of the new version of the companion app is that you can generate a patient report from this information. This is useful to you, but it's especially useful as something you can give to your patients so they have a completely detailed workup of their exam. So first we select what data we want to include in the report. You can select everything or just one or two things if that's what you need. And then it asks you if you want to use the subjective refraction data. In this case we do. I get a more full report that way. You pick which exams you want. If we had done multiple exams on this patient, you would choose maybe exam number 2 for the right eye, exam number 3 for the left eye, for example, whichever ones you feel best about. And then you click Generate Report. It's going to ask you where you want to save the PDF, makes the PDF. Obviously, as a PDF, you can print it out, but we're going to look at it right here on the tablet. So we're going to open it up. And this report shows you, first of all, if the current refraction is very close to the if the new refraction is very close to the patient's current prescription, it will show that it's good within 1 diopter. If the measurement of the new autorefraction is more than a diopter off of the patient's current prescription, then it'll show a red bar here and an X and say that the refraction is not close to the current prescription. And then you get all the detailed results that we just looked at on the companion app. So we get the simulations of the uncorrected version versus what you would get with new glasses with the correct prescription. You get a nice reference of the wavefront map, for both eyes, obviously, and then we get the Zernike coefficients for both eyes. So these are some of the really exciting new functions that we have in the new companion app. So urge you to try it out right away. The companion app is free for anybody who has the QuickSee Free or QuickSee Free Pro, though I will say that these detailed results that we saw on the screen and that we see in this PDF report are only available on the QuickSee Free Pro.